Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Hedera Hashgraph. In today's video, we will take a look at this big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame, and we will also watch this very strong and long-term support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. In my last video that I shared yesterday with you, I was showing you this falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame. Right now I want to show you this view on the weekly time frame. And here you can see that this chart is telling us what Hedera Hashgraph is going to start from here. We can see that here Hedera Hashgraph formed this descending triangle. By the way, before that, Hedera formed another resistance and support here that was a down channel. Basically, if we switch to the daily time frame, then we can watch this down channel more clear. Let me show you this previous move. You can see it was a down channel. You can see that we have very few touch points at the support and more touch points at the resistance. We have few touch points here, few touch points here. Then there is a big gap, and we were testing the resistance more than the support. Again, tested here, and here we formed another up channel and broke out this resistance, and then we had another very big move. Then let me show you this move as well. After the breakout, this move was approximately more than 500%. You can see. Okay, then it formed this descending triangle. Now let me show you on the weekly time frame. And after forming this descending triangle, the price line broke out the resistance, and we again had a very big move that was more than 1100%. And then we formed this down channel, and after breaking out this down channel, after the breakout, the move was more than 240%. Right now we have again formed another falling wedge pattern. Now if we switch back to the daily time frame, once again we can see that we are testing the resistance more than the support, like what it was doing back here in the first channel that I showed you here back in 2019. It was testing the resistance more than the support, and same as like that, it is testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, this is another signal that we are going to break out this falling wedge very soon. And after breaking out this falling wedge, our target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately 55 to 56 cents. But this is a very big falling wedge pattern, and we can expect that the price line can rally even more than that as well. But the target, the technical target, can be here. Now if we take a look at this support, this is really very strong support. Let me place this support at the same chart, because that is also the weekly time frame. This is also the weekly time frame, and this is we also have a 100 simple moving average support here as well. That is exactly at the support of this falling wedge pattern. And now the price line, you can see, is not touching the support of this falling wedge, and the reason is this support line that the Hedera Hashgraph has found here at 18.5 cents. We tested the support here back in January 2022, and before that we tested the support from April 2021 to July 2021, and we had a very nice bounce from there, and we again touched the support here, and we are also forming a double bottom at this support as well. If I switch to the daily time frame, then you can see that the price line moved down and tested the support here, again moved down, and after testing the support is moving up. And after this double bottom formation, the probability is now high to break out this resistance of the falling wedge. As you can see that the movement is getting more squeezed, and we are going at the end of the wedge as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.